hi boys and girls. I have created this little video for the spelling group in order to direct you to your spelling that you will be doing every day. Now it will be new spelling for you. That's why I thought it would be important. Well, it's a new tool for spelling, so that's why I thought it would be important to create a little screen recorded video of what you need to do. Okay, so basically your group will be called the Lexias. Okay, and what it is, it's like a little reading and spelling program. Similar to Some Dog, you'll do little activities, but its focus will be on reading and spelling. And what that does is it will help you where you need to be challenged and where you need help. It's quite a clever little program. And then what it does is it lets me know how you're getting on and what areas I can support you in and what areas I need to challenge you in. So it's a very, very good little program, and I've only got access for a smaller number of group, and you are the boys and girls I've selected to access this. So when you see on your task board, your daily task board, you will see the Lexias, and that will be you, because you'll be sent this support video, introduction support video, and you must do Lexia every single day for 20 minutes. Okay, that's all I'm asking of you. You do not need to do the green book activities. It's just Lexia. Okay, so first of all, it's quite tricky to access it, so we need to be quite you need to pay attention to this part, because I've just had a little bit of issues accessing it as well. So there's two ways to access it, okay? It's called Lexia Core 5. Now, there is an app that you can install. So I went to Lexia Core 5, and you could see it's got apps. I did it in Google Chrome, and then you could see that it's got a few apps there that you can install, okay? And what I did was I chose Lexia Core 5 Reading UK, and then I just pressed get. Obviously, you will need to ask permission or ask your parents if they've got a password on your downloads. But that's for an iPad, and it looks like hopefully it has it for Android and different types of devices. But that's one way of doing it, downloading the app, okay? The other way of doing it is Microsoft Edge. Now, you could see that at the right-hand side of my screen, 3 down, and it's got Edge. Now, what I had to do with that is because Edge is just like it's a different type of web browsers. You know how you get Google and you get Safari? Well, Edge is a different type of browser. And if you don't have Edge, you may have to download that, okay? And the way I did that was I went to my app store. Now, it might be the Android store, depending on your device. You can use this, you can download the app on a phone, an iPad, and you could try it on your laptop. But it needs to be done in Edge, Microsoft Edge. So I typed that into my app store, and you could see at the top to the right-hand side, it says Microsoft Edge web browser, and I've already downloaded it. Now, that's one way to access it. So what I do, if I want to access it this way, because it's a web browser, you type in Lexia Core 5, and then you would click on the first tab, okay? And it takes you to this kind of screen. Okay? And it's the same with the... I'll just show you there. Oh. Yeah, so it shows you down here what the supported browsers are. So it can work on, it's not working on Safari. It says Safari, but it doesn't work on Safari. It works on Edge, and I tried in Chrome as well, and it didn't work, but it might work on your computers. So, yeah. Now, if you are logging, for Android, so if you've got an Android phone, you might want to have a wee look and see there. But we'll try it. Apps on Google Play. So if you've got Google Play Store, you might want to download it on the Google Play. So it's just a case of kind of searching boys and girls and seeing which one gets, you know, which one works. So when you go, I've downloaded the app because it's just like a Some Dog app, then I've got access all the time. So when you go into the app, it will ask you to upload your teacher's email, and I will provide you with that, okay? Because that helps you get started, and the screen should look like this. Now, I'm not sure which email I use, so you will have to bear with me. Was it my new email? Because we just got new emails at the beginning. Well, it was halfway glow.shoe.uk. Yeah, we just got new emails. Oh gosh, I've missed that out. In the middle of October, I think it was. And so I don't know which ones I've used for certain programs. So let's see. No, so it's not that one. That's fine then. Just to make it harder for Mrs. Moore, they give you new emails. Dundee Schools. So what you would do is when you get to this screen, you would type in Mrs. email. Oh, right. Now, takes us to this point. It says this device is now set up for St. Francis Primary School. It is very, 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 very important to make sure it says St. Francis, okay? And then it says go to login. Now, you would select student, obviously, because you're the student, and then you would type in your username, okay? And then your password. Now, I'm going to use an example of okay, and you won't see, hopefully you won't see, or you will. Hide. Oh, sorry boys and girls. There we go. Okay, so I've logged in as Logan at the moment. Oh, very badly. Hold on. I don't know what's happening here. Right, is your name Logan Bartlett? So you must check your details before. Don't just kind of carry on, because it's so easy to get onto a computer with a different login by mistake, and then you might be doing someone else's work for them. So if I say yes, it then loads
Please
up.
get your teacher.
Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, your school should be using the UK version. Right, so yeah, boys and girls, you'll want to make sure you're downloading the UK version. I think what Mrs. Moran has done is I've downloaded the wrong one. Okay, so that's a good learning curve. So I'm just going to quickly go in. Lexia in my app store, Core 5 UK. So I want to make sure it says the UK and it's at the right hand side. It did take a little while to download, but this is all a learning curve. I mean, I could stop the video and do another one, boys and girls, but it just takes me forever, so I'm not going to do that. I've just shown you, you know what, mistakes happen. So there it is, it's downloading there, and that's how you would log in. Now, top tips. It must say St. Francis. You are probably going to find it easier if you download the app, if I'm honest, like Some Dog. You must make sure you are in a quiet place or have headphones to do this, because the first part of this exercise is getting to know you and knowing what you want, what you're able to do. You don't want to get it all wrong because you can't hear, and then it turns out you actually know what you're doing, and then it's dead easy and boring, okay? So it's got to be in silent reading conditions. So find a space in your house or in this, well, if you're in school, and you're going to be very, very quiet and listen to what's happening. Now, you will get verbal instructions. Someone will talk to you. You need to make sure you can hear things before you begin, okay? And then I hope that works. But getting it downloaded is a bit of an issue, okay? So what I would do is just keep going with it. It says it works in Safari, Chrome and Edge, but I had difficulties with Chrome and Safari. I'm finding it easier just to download the app. So what I'm going to do is I will send your logins, a picture of your logins, and I will send my teacher email so that you can access it, because it will pop up like you just saw, asking your teacher's email. And then all I expect you to do is 20 minutes a day. Now, if there are any problems, please let me know, okay? And I will try my best to help you.